हेलो एवरीवन, मैं पारितोष और आज DNN24 की टीम आ चुकी है इनोवेटर्स एंड इन्वेस्टर्स मीटअप 2.0 में, जो कि इनोस्किल ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। तो चलिए बात करते हैं यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स से और जानते हैं उनकी जर्नी के बारे में।
I am Vivek Kumar Shahi, founder of Parallel Platform Private Limited. I have 11 plus years of blue collar ecosystem experience where we have trained 10,000 youth in collaboration with government. This has empowered us to start Parallel Platform Private Limited, where we are solving the problem statement जहाँ पे job seeker in the blue collar community is struggling. On the other hand, employer is also feeling challenge, and at the employer end, the major hiring stakeholder is recruiter. So we are solving job seeker struggle and recruiter challenge gap fulfillment. The solution is very simple, where we are trying to connect and collaborate both the end users so that both can communicate with each other through our online AI-enabled social platform. And further, with the Guru as a career coach, we are creating lot of awareness videos so that job seekers should get empowerment and he can take the right decision. तो हमारा जो blue collar है, they are rural based, migrant and urban. यहाँ पे lot of stakeholders are working from government to job tech portal to few NGOs.
This was the event which we launched today. So as innovators and investors meetup. So our purpose was to showcase our incubated startups to the investors. So basically these are the startups who are working at early stage, pre-revenue and revenue stage. So we as an incubator, we help these startups to scale up for the next levels, right? So we connected them with the investors today. So they had a good session with the investors. We had one-on-one sessions with the investors as well. We did very good networking. So basically our purpose to organize this event was to help our startups to scale up in the market. Also, I would like to thank our partners for the event who have supported us in this event. So we have Head Start, Claimify, PapSwap, Startup News, Nama Labs, Curatives Technologies, and at the end I would like to thank DNN Network as well.
हमारी कंपनी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स के लिए आफ्टर सेल सर्विस और मेंटेनेंस प्रोवाइड करती है। ये एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन है आपके सारे ईवीज के किसी भी कैटेगरी के लिए, आइदर वो 2 व्हीलर्स हो, 3 व्हीलर्स हो, 4 व्हीलर्स हो या कोई सा भी मॉडल एग्नोस्टिक है हो आपका, हम उसके लिए सर्विसेज देने के लिए अवेलेबल हैं। अभी आप देखोगे ईवीज में जो मेन चैलेंज है, अगर आप कहीं पे भी आप अगर ईवी राइडर या ईवी ड्राइव कर रहे हो आप, तो अगर आप किसी भी कंडीशन में वहाँ पे स्टक हो गए, व्हीकल कोई भी माल फंक्शन कर गया, तो आपको ऑन साइट असिस्टेंस नहीं है वहाँ पे। और अगर आप किसी भी व्हीकल के कस्टमर केयर को अप्रोच करते हो तो आपको गाइड करता है कि आपको नियरेस्ट सर्विस सेंटर पे विजिट करना है, जो कि आप बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग काम है। किसी भी नॉन ऑपरेटिव व्हीकल को टो करके लेके जाना खुद के लिए काफ़ी टफ है। वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि कोई टेक्नीशियंस की लैग भी है और ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। इस कंडीशन में हम बैटरीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जिसके पास स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हमारे पास सर्विस सेंटर्स हैं, टेक्नीशियंस हैं, और इसको हम कस्टमर सेंट्रिक अप्रोच की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं। तो ये सोल्यूशन हम देते कैसे हैं? हम दे रहे हैं ऑन साइट सोल्यूशंस दे रहे हैं। आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमें अप्रोच करना है एक टिकट के थ्रू। आपको एक कंप्लेंट डालनी है हमें, और वहाँ पे हम टेक्नीशियंस की डिप्लॉयमेंट कर रहे होंगे। अभी हम लोग ऑपरेशन जैसे दिल्ली NCR में कर रहे हैं, तो आप कहीं से भी हमें कंप्लेंट पुट ऑन करते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको टेक्नीशियंस की रीच मिलती है विदिन 35 मिनट्स टू 1 आवर के टाइम में।
I attended the Investors and Innovators Meetup 2.0, which was a great experience for me. And now talking about something about our incubation center, we basically help budding entrepreneurs and startups to grow and support them. So if you want any kind of help and support, you can contact us, and thank you DNN24.
I attended the Innovators and Investors Meetup 2.0 organized by Inoski Global Foundation, and it was a great opportunity to connect with incubators, investors and various startups.
स्पोर्ट्स इंगो एक फैन एंगेजमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है स्पोर्ट्स फैंस के लिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप कोई क्रिकेट फैन है या टेनिस फैन है, आप हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ सकते हैं, ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं प्ले स्टोर से, और आप अपना साइन अप करके अपनी जर्नी के बारे में दूसरे फैंस को बता सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आपको आने का क्या बेनिफिट है, आप जब भी हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पर कोई भी एक्टिविटी करते हैं आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, उस पॉइंट्स को आप रिडीम कर सकते हैं मर्चेंडाइज खरीदने में है, टिकटिंग्स पार्टनर जो हमारे साथ ऑलरेडी टाइड अप हैं टिकट्स खरीदने में। तो बेसिकली हमने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जहां पर हम स्पोर्ट्स फैंस को रिकॉग्निशन देते हैं।
इट वाज लाइक ए लाइफ सेविंग जर्नी फॉर मी। It was back in 2003. I watched Wimbledon finals of Roger Federer. At that point of time, I just survived a cylinder blast, and I lost few of my family members into that. And Roger Federer gave me a ray of hope. He reignited my, like he saved my life, and reignited my. He gave me strength to move forward in life. So, Sportsingo is a fan engagement platform where we engage sports fans, where sports fans do a lot of things out of their love and passion for their sports teams, players and clubs. For example, they ink tattoos, they buy merchandise, they watch, go to watch matches, they buy a lot of merchandise and other stuff as well. But there is no way to reward that fandom. So what we are trying to do is that we are building a fan engagement platform where we are rewarding sports fans for their loyalty and fandom. Apart from that, I worked with few of the local clubs as well. I was a former athlete as well. So when I started talking to small clubs like in Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR, one of the problems that I found is that the parents were coming and they were asking that they want their kid to start a new sport, but they don't know how to navigate through it. So then I realized that I started a community on WhatsApp, and when people were asking the questions, then I was answering those questions. Okay, this is the racket, and also I was connecting those people with the experts as well. I spoke to a few coaches and they came on board. So that's how this community building exercises started.
So our product is very much specific to teachers and students. It's a social learning platform, we say, and we are very much focused into wellness program, because that is where we understood ki our head is getting where it is getting, our next generation kids are going where, that so much dopamine factor is getting pushed. We cannot stay even an hour or half an hour without looking at our mobiles. So that is where the energy is going into it, and we just waste our time. We feel bad also sometimes, but even after feeling bad, we waste again. We waste 2 hours in reels and watching some videos where we don't imagine that it is gone. So those some of the products, the social media products, they are actually buying your time. So that was a focus that we wanted. That is the reason we came into the wellness things. So we wanted the traditional wellness of yoga to be in India, which is already India is very rich with ancient knowledge of yoga. Now can we bring some technology into it? So that is the main part of our wellness program. So we started working, because we were AI experts. So we started working with all this data.
जो है आपके आसपास, आपके शहर का खास, वो दिखाएगा आपको DNN 24, आपका अपना डिजिटल न्यूज नेटवर्क। तो फिर कीजिए लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो।